A pleasant day to everyone. My name is Vinson and I am here today to show you guys how to use some file commands in an Ubuntu terminal. So without further ado, let's begin. The first Ubuntu command I want to show you guys is the ls command. What happens if you type this command and press enter is that it shows the files and directories or folders that are present in that specific directory. This is very useful for simply searching and taking a peek at the files that are in that specific directory. The next command is the cd space dir, where you can change the highlighted blue text into anything else. This command basically changes your current directory. For example, in the video, I changed the directory to the desktop. I also used a cd command which brought me back to the previous directory. Using these commands will allow you to travel from several directories with ease. The next command is the pwd. This command shows you the current directory where you are currently working. As you can see in the video, you can see /home/spark/desktop, which meant that I am currently in the desktop directory. The command mkdir space dir, where you can change the highlighted blue text into anything else, is a command used to create a new directory or folder. In this video, I decided to create a new directory and named it Spark. As you may have noticed, there is a new folder that can be found on the desktop named Spark the moment I pressed enter. The command touch space file, where you can change the highlighted blue text into anything else, is used to create a file in the current directory or folder. The created file will have no text or data. The command cat space file, where the highlighted blue text is a name of a file, is a command that is used to insert text into a specific file. As you can see in the video, I decided to put lines 1 to 20 as an example. You'll know later on why I stopped at line 20. Use Ctrl+Z when you are done entering the text you wanted to be placed into the file. After that, when you open the file, you will see that the text that I typed earlier, which in my case are line 1 to 20, are present. The more file, where the highlighted blue text is the name of a file command, displays the texts that are present inside of a file and shows it in the terminal. The command cp space file1 space file2, where the highlighted blue and gold texts are names of the files, is an Ubuntu terminal command that is used to copy a file. Make sure that you enter the file name of the file that you want to copy first, before the file name of the new name of the copied file. The next command is the Mvspace File, where the highlighted blue text is the name of a file. This command is pretty simple since it deletes the file that you type. In the video, you can see that I deleted file 1. When I check the trashed files, you can see the file that I deleted with the use of the rm command. The next command is the head space file command. Using this command, will display the first 10 lines of text of a file and show it in the terminal. This is decent for simply looking at the first few lines of a file. Opposite to the head space file command is the tail space file command. Using this command will display the last 10 lines of text of a named file and show it in the terminal. This is good for looking at the last few lines of text of a particular file. This is the reason why I made 20 lines of text earlier with the cat space greater than sign space file command. The next and final command is the Mvspace File. The purpose of this command is to move a file into a specific folder. As you can see in the video, I moved the file named File to the folder Spark. When I checked what was inside of the Spark folder with the ls command, it displayed the file, which means that the execution was successful. So these are the basic commands of using the Ubuntu terminal. With that said, this marks the end of my video presentation. Thank you for watching.